Hey guys, Mobile Keys are here, and I finally got my OnePlus Watch 3. So we're just going to do a real quick unboxing, and then since I've told you so many times how I decide which phone I'm going to carry for the day based on which watch I use, I figured I'd show you my watch rotation and which phones they're matched up with. But first, a quick unboxing and look at the OnePlus Watch 3.
Let's do this!
And coincidentally, I happen to be wearing the OnePlus Watch 2 today. And I'm going to pair it with my OnePlus 13. So here's our OnePlus 13. We'll peel off the paper and start getting it set up. Meanwhile, let's check what else comes in the box. So the usual paperwork. And we've got our charging puck and our cable. And the OnePlus 13 recognizes the watch right away, so let's get it set up. And we're all set up with my preferred watch face. So the first thing I always do is turn the display brightness all the way up. I do that with both my watches and my phones. I never use adaptive brightness at all. And while we hear the 10-second turn off, it's a little too quick for me, so I usually up it to 30 seconds. So there we are, guys. We're all set up. I just wanted to show you. This year's band is green, and last year's, which is on the right, looked like green until I put it next to this one. Now it looks kind of blue. So that's the OnePlus 3 watch setup, guys. But I said I would take you through my rotation of watches, so that's what we're going to do now. So right now I've got 7 watches that I alternate with, so let's take you through them. So right to left, we've got the OnePlus 13 with the OnePlus Watch 3. And then the OnePlus 12 with the OnePlus Watch 2. The Samsung Galaxy A35 with the Galaxy Watch 7, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro with the Pixel Watch 3. Still right to left, my iPhone 15 Pro Max with my Apple Watch Series 10, my Nothing Phone 3a Pro with my Amazfit GTR 4, which lasts many, many days, and finally my OnePlus Open is matched with my TicWatch Pro 5. Now, of course, this changes as I acquire watches and or phones. But just wanted to show you guys the rotation. So that's it, guys. My quick unboxing of the OnePlus Watch 3 with a little glimpse of my rotation of watches at the moment. So up to now, I've loved my time with the OnePlus Watch 2, and everybody raves about this OnePlus Watch 3, so I was anxious to get my hands on it. It's supposed to last much, much longer battery-wise than the OnePlus Watch 2, and I'll let you know what other differences I find as I put it through its paces and use it in my workouts. Right now it's $329.99 on the OnePlus Watch website. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.